everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to install the Tradingview desktop application on your Windows 11 or Windows 12 PC. Follow me. First of all, your system requirement. Before proceeding, ensure your system meets the following requirements. The operating system must be Windows 10 version 22H2 or Windows 11 version 22H2 or newer. The processor must be 64-bit Intel or AMD processor. ARM processors are now supported. The app installer must be installed on your system. This app typically comes pre-installed with Windows. Now here's the installation process. Download the installer. Visit the Tradingview desktop page. Click on download for Windows to obtain the Tradingview app installer file. Locate the downloaded Tradingview app installer file. Double click the file to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete the installation. After installation, you can launch the app from the start menu or by searching for Tradingview in the search bar. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter issues during installation, ensure if the app installer is not recognized, ensure your Windows OS is up to date. If the problem persists, download the app installer from the Microsoft Store. Now, if we encounter installation errors, these errors may indicate issues with Windows updates or certified trust. Refer to Tradingview's troubleshooting guide for detailed solution. Now, for PowerShell installation, if standard installation fails, you can install the app using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run the following command: replace C column /pad/2/tradingview.mx with a whole lot of other packs. It's right here on the screen what you're supposed to write. Hope you find it helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment down